Hi there, and welcome to the Linux module. If you are stepping into the exciting world of DevOps or looking to sharpen your Linux skills, you've come to the right place. In this module, we'll take you through everything you need to know about Linux and operating systems to become a confident DevOps engineer. Let's get started. So, why is Linux important for DevOps engineers? Linux powers the majority of servers and cloud systems across the world. It's lightweight, flexible, and built for professionals who work behind the scenes to make tech magic happen. Even if you are new to Linux, don't worry. This module will give you all the tools to getting started. Next, let's talk about what we learn in this module step by step. We will start with the fundamentals. What is an operating system? How does it work? And how do Linux, Windows, and Mac OS differ from each other? Next, you will dive into virtualization, learning how to set up and work with virtual machine, a crucial skill for modern IT professionals. We will explore the Linux file system, master essential Linux command, and gain confidence in using the command line interface. Don't worry, we will walk you through every step. Installing and managing software on Linux is a skill you will use daily as a DevOps engineer. We will cover package managers, software repositories, and even hands-on demos. Ever heard of Vim? It's one of the most popular text editor for Linux. You will learn all the essential commands to work with Vim like a pro. Managing users and files permission is a must-known skill. We'll cover how to handle users, group ownership, and permission with ease. Get ready to write powerful script. We will introduce you to bash scripting, covering loops, variables, function, and even advanced technique to make your script reusable and efficient. Finally, we will explore the basics of networking like IP addresses, firewalls, and ports. Plus, you will learn how to manage remote server using SSH, Secure Shell, a crucial tool for any DevOps engineer. By the end of this module, you will have a solid foundation in Linux, scripting, and networking, skill that will set you apart as a DevOps engineer. Whether you are starting as a fresh or building on your knowledge, this course is designed to make learning Linux simple and fun. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the world of Linux and unlock your potential as a future DevOps expert. See you in the first lesson.